Booking.com reservation confirmation not showing, how to fix it. If you want to fix if your reservation or confirmation isn't showing on Booking.com, you want to first launch Booking.com right here. Now let me try to go ahead and then look for a certain property in a particular area, and let me try to make a reservation. So I'll select a property from here. I will select any type of extra features that I would want, and I can tap on select rooms from the bottom. Now here you can see different type of rooms. I can just tap on select and customize, select the number of rooms that you want and select next step. Now from that, choose your smoking preferences or other preferences. You can select that and tap the next step option. You can request some extra options, but I can tap on confirm. And once you've done that, you just have to select the reserve option from the very bottom. Now some properties may need to have your personal information entered in order for you to go ahead and then confirm your reservation, or else what you can basically do is you might also have to pay in advance for the reservation. But once you select that and enter your details, your reservation should be successfully made. This way you can fix if your reservation isn't showing or how you can make a reservation in a proper way. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.